Following last week's Ultra Kitty video, I bring you the next set from the LEGO Movie 2, Metalbeard's Heavy Metal Motor Trike, which is yet another example of the many forms its characters assumed over the two films. I gotta say that I'm a big fan of this set. When I close my eyes, this is the pirate-themed heavy metal assault vehicle my imagination wants me to build, even though my freestyle skills aren't advanced enough to come up with a design as cool as this one. It's got a hugely oversized front wheel with some cool free-spinning mags, a quad set of high-traction off-road wheels, high-powered V8 engine mounted right in the center of the frame, a rotating turret for easy turret acquisition, two traditional cannons in addition to a shark cannon, each having their own full range of motion. But be careful, unlike most other sets, there's nothing keeping the ammunition in place as it easily falls out if the cannons are tipped downwards. And finally, in addition to Metalbeard himself, We also have the robot-armed welder edition of Emmett, and new to the LEGO Movie 2, Sweet Mayhem, who is my first minifigure that comes in a LEGO Friends format. I'm also really happy to have this one-eyed pirate edition shark. He's a welcome addition to the traditional shark I acquired not long ago, and the retro shark I've had since childhood. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.